I'm a little excited to see what this one is. This is the one I was told to play first by by Lostmon. But then again, he always says, "Oh, save my project for last because they're the best." So I mean, I don't know. Grimace's Adventure. Use the mouse to collect some sweet burgers, but avoid those nasty KFC chicken buckets. Cool. Every 10 seconds you will get an automatic no good. This is because I'm bad at coding, but your score won't go down. What am I doing with my life? Shared 15th of January 2018. Okay. What? Something bad. But something's wrong. Something is wrong. Oh, what? Okay. I'm not exactly sure what is that.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, it's right here.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
How is this an RPG game related to heist?
Yep.
I'm confused. That wasn't the...
No good. Yep. 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 Yep.
I have a feeling it didn't take very long to make this game.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
I ask this again. What does this
Yep.
have to do
Yep.
with heist?
Yep. 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 Yep.
What?
Yep. 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 Yep.
I don't know how long I'm going to be playing this for.
Yep. No good. Yep. 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 No good. Yep. 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 Yep.
What the f***? Screw you.
No good.
So is there an actual, like...
Yep. No good. No good.
Is there an actual, like, win or loss condition to this?
No good.
Okay, that's enough on that. I've determined that there's not much if score is equal to 169. So what a mature number. So you have to get 169 points. So is this it? Not really. This was made in a day. I can just tell. But interesting. Very interesting. I'm still not sure how this is an RPG related to heist, but this is very interesting. Oh boy. Ooh. Ooh. Here we go. Ooh. Las Balans. Let's see, it's Ikbniads. Okay. Uh-oh. Torment. Oh no. Oh no. No. Wow. Lost Milan adding a volume meter? What the fuck? Wow, this is a lot of... Triggered the sound. Oh no. This game is cringy attack. Proceed with arrow keys or WASD to move. Enter or leave a building. Enter to talk with another character. Spacebar to fight. Useful tips. Dialogues are perhaps the most important part of the game. Don't rush through them without reading them. Music helps with setting the game's atmosphere, so don't turn it off if you can. Explore everything, visit buildings, save your progress, and don't die. You could die in a dating simulator. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, so if moving, play animation. The controls are a little finicky. I'm sorry, what is... I'm gonna give you a hug. This is the attack, by the way. I'm gonna give you the hug. And you cannot attack if you are moving. At all. Even if you have momentum. Great programming. Oh. Okay. This is amusing. Okay. Oh. Walk on the sidewalk like a good little boy. I wanted to find out what the hit collision detection is. It's right at the top of his feet to kind of in front of him, which is interesting. What is this? This does not make any sense. This picture does not make any sense. Okay. So this is what being a Russian game developer is like, huh? You make this. Oh, there's a zombie here. The collision detection on the attack is awful. Oh my god. Attacking this game sucks. Did I miss anything up here? Oh. Hello. Okay, you don't exist apparently. Hey Josh, everything going well? Oh, you have to click. You have to click. No, enter doesn't do dialogue. You have to click. Thought so. Okay, do you click on them? No, you don't click on. You don't click in the overworld. Okay, whatever. Just don't be consistent at all. Is this a... This is apparently not a real person. I will say, it has more artwork than my game does. Just saying a lot. No, it's not. It's not at all. Should I play my own game? I'm probably not. I feel like that would... What is this road? Wait. BMG. Welcome to Blank Media Games' office. Here we work hard. We work hard day to day on bringing you Town of Salem, the reunion of Salam, the skin festival of the card game. What the actual... Why don't you do what everyone wants you to do and add more rolls to the original Town of Salem? Adding rolls, that doesn't bring money. Card brings can bring money. I want money. Who's this guy? Can I talk to this guy? No. Can I take the money? What? What? They took my money! Did you really steal all my money while I was here? You don't want us to starve to death, do you? Okay, we're just gonna... Just fuck... Just... No, I'm gonna... Well... Rip money. Whatever. I'm not gonna save because I have a feeling that was significant. What the fuck is that? Okay. Oh, hi there. What are you doing? Just standing here outside? You wouldn't happen to find a carton of milk, would you? That's supposed to be dairy. Wait, I don't get it. What is he holding? Is that supposed to be cheese and a glass of milk and okay, first of all, his head's not filled in. His head is cracked open. What? No, sorry, when you need one, I really do. I cannot survive without milk. I have just run out of my last carton, so I know I have to stand here and ask all to pacify. Would you be so kind during me when you see it? I'll open no promises. Okay. What? What is this? What is this? Okay. Oh boy. Aha, house. Oh, uh-oh. This is the worst combat system I've ever seen. I have to hit them in their head. Can I? Okay, yeah, I can do that. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. Okay. Just attack while not moving, and then move. That is really stupid. Why did you make it like that? That is absolutely dumb. Let's be it. Ah! Oh, what? What? Jump! I'm telling you to jump. What the? Is there? Oh, it's. Of course it's up. What the? Do I have to jump on his head? Aha! So who's this supposed to be? Oh, just generic enemy. There we go. I have defeated the monster. Okay, now we go here. Why did that level have to be so huge? Why couldn't we have been given a map? What? I don't get it. Oh, here we go. This is Kitty, probably. Oh, hello there. What might you be doing on this gray, gloomy day? The state of the surroundings symbolizes the state of my heart. I haven't seen my lover or days ago. And I'm really starting to worry if something happens. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry to hear about that. I'm sure Orphan can stand up for himself, but I'll remember to take a look just in case. Thanks, I appreciate it. I'm feeling really sad without his reassuring voice to cheer me. Yeah, he sure does have an amazing voice. I could listen to him talk all day without getting tired. If only he was here. Last one on. Oh, I gotta go see you later. Okay. I kill the cat. Murder the cat. Murder the cat. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That was hilarious. But, oh, I'm losing health. There you go. Bear? Hello, Bear. I haven't seen you outside in quite a while. Is everything going fine? Bear, can you hear me? Huh, I guess he's hibernating. Why isn't he in bed? Hello, Pasta. Are you even here? What is up with all these people with quinches just happened to disappear? What is up with all these people whose conscience just happens to disappear? I think you mean consciousness. Not their conscious. I don't think they can, like, they magically don't have the ability to tell right from wrong. Oh. This is iPhones? Hello, Lewis. Everything going about smoothly? You have not much to worry about. You know, I've met different people around the town, and they all go outside and talk to me at least once in a while, but I've never seen you outside. What's the matter? Oh, it's that I don't have valid documents, so I'm not allowed to walk around outside and to talk to people there. Really? What? Why don't you go to get to the documents then? I tried once, didn't work. At this point, I don't think it's worth it. Okay. 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 So I'm just walking around, I guess. Maybe this way? Do some bottom to top exploration. Hello. Is that an enemy or no? What in the world are you? Do you speak English? I almost thought I found a talking dinosaur. Cry. You know that Discord emojis don't parse here, right? What? Never mind. Okay, whatever. Should be a dino skeleton. Hello. Cody, hey! How come you're just standing here when you should be recording for podcasts, a widely loved and popular show? You see, I would be recording podcasts if someone broke into the house that's been used for podcast recording and locked the gate. Now I can't even get into the house. Wow, such a sad story. I will definitely look for a key to the gate. To you to get you. Oh my god. To get you back into recording as soon as possible. So I have to find a key. I'm looking for a key. There we go. I don't think I have an inventory. So I don't probably didn't pick it up by now. So I've never been important. Food and stuff. What the hell are you? Hello, can I buy a carton of milk, please? You cannot. I am lactose intolerant, so I will not sell milk or any form of a dairy product. Why would you even have them at the store if you aren't selling them? And how does your lactose intolerance prevent you from being able to sell milk to others? They just go around. Aren't you going to answer me? No, apparently not. Okay. I don't have any money, which is probably a problem. So I need a way to get money. Meow. Let's go over to the right, because I don't think I've been this way before. At least not all the way here. Oh, yep. There's something up here. Oh, hello, who are you? I am Las Melon. Las Melon is my name. Okay, I got you. Cloud, you do me a favor. What favor? There is a gay called Ass Melon. No, hey, who are you calling gay? Wait, what? Are you asking me to murder? He O'Reilly deserves it. Oh. Hello. Hello, key. Maybe just kill you instead. Sir, you have my key. Okay, whatever. Apparently I can't get that. I guess I have to kill Asmelon first. Or something. Is this Asmelon? No, this is nowhere. Thanks for including this into the game. This was very... This is such a very good addition. Unless that's my house and I was just like... confused. I don't think it's my house. There's no way it's all the way down here. Probably skipping something. Oh, Alex. Sound check, can you hear me? Chris. I can indeed. My name is not Soundcheck though. Hi Lost, how's it going? It's going fine though, a bit weird I must say. Okay. Oh, by the way, I should probably warn you about the two houses close to mine. Their owners aren't home and I think they're inhabited with monsters. Monsters? That doesn't sound fun. I wonder what the owners are so busy with if they haven't noticed by now. Well, I am sure it will be good for everyone if you defeat the monsters. If you can, of course. Thanks for telling me. I'll see what I can do. Okay. Well, I think I've just defeated one of them earlier. So... Yep. So... Then we're looking for a house that's close to this one. Okay. I guess I have to go to the left and then go down, probably? Hello, Derry. La da 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 da. There's certainly a down, and there's a left, and then there's a... Oh, hello. Wow, I never thought that the world champion of all the different kinds of events lives in such close proximity to me. Oh, Urban. You don't meet legends every day, do ya? That's right, I am a big fan of your works. Want me to show you my latest working process? Is for some sort of a menu, and I myself think it sounds quite excellent. Oh, I would gladly, but I have things to do, and I'm afraid that if I heard it, I would stay here until midnight listening to its wonderful melody on repeat. Okay, then have fun wherever you're going. Thanks, you too. Where am I headed? I don't know. That's a good question. Head to the left and then down, maybe? Is there a down? There's a down. And then there's a left. And there's a pink house with a... I'm afraid of this one. Oh no. Oh no. You're wearing a skirt. Why am I wearing a skirt? Oh, hi, Lost. That's right. I haven't seen plenty of people in a while lately. I've been staying inside my house rather busy with some things. Oh, interesting. What have you been doing around here then? I'm learning a new powerful technology that will allow me to program thrice the number of useful features into my bot. You've been playing Roblox again, haven't you? Sawed off. Yeah, that's about right. Although I don't think sod is something I've actually said. More like f off or shut the f up, you, or something along those lines. I'm sure. Oh no, I'm definitely gonna have to go through and edit this video. Is that one of the houses that's supposedly infested with monsters? Or okay, what am I supposed to do here? I'm just kind of wandering around, exploring the full left. Seeing a bunch of empty houses. Why am I seeing a bunch of empty houses? Like, it's kind of boring, don't you think? Okay. Oh, I just realized the title stands for I Can't Believe It's Not a Dating Simulator. Great. Tell me, what do you know about dinosaurs? Dinosaurs are a diverse group of reptiles which inhabited the Earth until their extinction 66 million years ago. Really? Then how come there's one at the house right next to the store? Are you serious? I have to check that out now. What? Nabbed. Yeah, I'll just take it then. No need to pay for it or anything. I just stole it. Okay. Yeah, I suppose they could have like made the, you know, this green instead of me having to look at it a really boring backdrop. You know, grass texture would have been nice. I don't think it would have been too much to ask for. Okay. Howdy. Hello. Hey, I found the carton of milk you were looking for. Yay, thank you for your help, Lost Milan. Oh, and he disappears. I guess that's done. Now I have to look for... I think Asmilan's probably next. Wait. I don't have I been to the far right? I don't think I've been to the far right. What's up here? Is this BMG again? Yeah, it's BMG. Good sir, it's your Asmilan sure is a badass name, isn't it? I definitely think so. Listen, I met a strange person nearby in the town who seems to know you. Did he? Was it that smallish guy begging for a carton of milk? No, not that one. I actually got him one from the grocery store. Wait, how do you... What did you say again? There's a grocery store in the town? I never knew it doesn't have melons? I don't remember, but it could have some. Melons, here I come. Okay. So I need to go tell Lost Milan about this. Okay. So, my official, little PSA, if Lost Milan hasn't fixed this bug by the time you guys play it, after you visit, after you give Derry his milk, don't go to his house. Because that apparently, okay. Alright, I killed Asmalana. Grate, when did you be looking? Okay. Grab this key, which I need to go give to Cody. Now we're making progress. We're making progress. It's just... Of course, now I expected to, to just play the game normally and beat it without his help. But because I managed to soft lock the game, it didn't quite go that way. So now we're here. I'm just glad Lasmon's still online. Cody, hey, how come you're just standing here? See, I would be recording vodka. Oh. And then the gate just immediately opens. Okay. Because I already have the key. Ooh. Oh, hey, Orphan. Didn't expect to see you here. What are you even doing here, Lost? He's got the sputter. I have a better question for you, Orphan. What are you even doing here? Oh, I've just been experimenting with making music when combined. Obviously, if you had been making music, all living things in the radius of 500 meters would die. You've been playing Minecraft, haven't you? What? You think you can fool people? You and Femternode won't work. Okay, I may have played a game a little. I take a like to it lately. Orphan, where the hell have you been? Oh no. Have you been hiding from this damn house to play Minecraft? No, how dare you say that? I have also played League a bit. Let's go. Lost, I've been looking for you all over time, and it's Femternode. He's apparently feeling sick. Uh-oh. Really? I'm coming. Okay, the story is progressing. The story is progressing. We're getting somewhere. I'm sick. I'm sick of your shit, Lasmon. Oh boy, what am I gonna expect? I think it was down here. I honestly don't remember. Oh, whoa, whoa. Do both of these die? Yep. Goodbye. Okay. Oh, bull. What? Okay, it's time for you to die. It's time for you to die. For real this time. There you go. Can I just go talk to Alex now? The baddies are dead. I hope I didn't soft lock the game again. Well, I should have talked to him first. I don't like this. You shall not pass. I don't have time for your bullshit. pen, dog. I need to see someone. I am the sickliest burglar in town. If you think you could just ignore me, you're gonna be disappointed. I'll give you $50 and I'll let you pass. I don't have $50. And even if I did, you would be the last person I'd give my money to. And you will have to live without passing. Listen, I have many friends who would beat the crap out of you without a hitch. I'd like to see them try. Okay. Okay. Alex, I need your help. Alex, go beat up Pending for me. Hi again, lost what brings you here this time. There's a weird burglar-looking guy at the door of the path who's blocking me from coming through. Could you buy him to me? Oh, interesting. I'll go look. Don't worry. It's a birdie. We're gonna turn him into medicinal fried chicken. Oh. Hey, Lost. Good to see you. Good to finally see you here. Good to see you too. Did you find the guy? Yes, I did see someone, but he ran away in a panic as soon as he saw me. He must have chickened out. You get wrecked. That's hilarious. Okay, so apparently I'm up here. Probably this way. Just keep going left. Although I think this is Urban's house. Yeah, probably should just activate this though. Kind of spoils things when you've already experienced them. Oh, there we go. Hello? Femternode, why do you look so poor? That's because I am. Femternode, why do you feel so sick? That's because I am. No, I'm completely fine. Femternode, why do you act like such a That's because I am. Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. This is not good. What the Good thing the AIs are god-awful. Now I can say that the combat overall sucks. Okay, so we have problems. So I haven't quite found him, asked Juan said body. Where did you hide it? Oh, that is the secret. When you find it, you win. Yeah, I hate life secrets. Apparently my sweet mates won't shut the up. I don't think the cats actually attack you. Activate! Activate! There you go. Yeah. I don't think this is the way you were intended to actually fight. Wait, what? No! No! You stay dead! Okay, glad to see you're safe. Okay, I'm not sure what the hell's going on here, though. Oh, hello. I can certainly see how brave and impregnable you are now. Shut up. I'm gonna have a fun time with a thumbnail for this video. I just realized how much material I have to work with here. Wait. Okay, apparently I can't go down there. I think I should go to BMG next. What? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, this boss is a little tricky. Especially since you get launched in 500 feet into the air. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. The sound balancing isn't that great. What is up, mental patience? You what? You little. Is that a chicken? No, I'm not talking about Torm himself. I'm talking about the sound. We already know the other's true. Yo, what? Oh, come on. Couldn't the hitbox be any more ingenerous? Motherfucker. Ugh. Where is your mental patience? Oh my god, that is such a picky jump. They're all picky jumps. Oh my god. Ugh. Hey, Shade, I have some salt from you, and it's from me! Okay, so I get how you're supposed to do this. Exploitable. Oh my god, this pisses me off. I can't hear the voice over music. And yes, I have the music turned down. So it doesn't rape your ears. Jesus. I hate this fight. What the f? Why? Why does he have to have such a hitbox? Ah! It's always the second jump for some reason. God damn. Jesus! Fuck off. Oh my god. I swear. What? I feel like going back and watching this frame by frame to see if the hitbox actually for some reason changes. Maybe if I could just like stay on top of his head and just keep catching it, or just die. Whatever. I guess that's an option too. Okay. What? Is he immune until the next wave spawns? Is that how this works? So I think maybe... Okay. And then I just kill this wave. And then maybe the next wave comes, and then I just kill this one. I wish this was elaborated on, or like wasn't a thing. Like, why is that a thing? Okay. Save the progress. I don't really feel like doing that again. Cats are here, but the minions are not. because I can go down here now. I probably should go down here. Oh. Oh look who's here. Have you heard about what happened? What, the city getting overrun by zombies? It happens every day. I think was able to find Tormentor and his followers, but they must still be around here somewhere without them. Did you really interrupt my podcast session just for this? This isn't an issue we should take lightheartedly. The city was plundered and some of our friends just disappeared. Oh my, we're a Femternode. He must have been kidnapped before the invasion even begun. I haven't seen any side of entrance since the zombie followers disappeared and many other people have yet to be found like Derry. I wish there was a way we could find this chaos and defeat Tormentor once and for all. I know, I'll make a diss track about him and my music will damage his hearing so much he might just die. The slime beast is far more powerful than a normal human being. Even your music will fail to destroy him. We must gather all the forces we can and retaliate. Do you really think our minuscule army will be enough to bring down not only the monster but his followers as well? Cleaning my glasses, sorry. Oh, yes, I know we may appear weak, but remember, we have the power of bugs and salt, lots of salt, and the spirit of bodcaps and my horrible music. Oh, and I'm gay. JK. Even though our quest will prove difficult, we are capable of pretty much anything together. We will gather everyone we can, harness all of our available forces and powers, and we will do it. To be continued or not. Did you enjoy the game? No.